Hello, hi, welcome to my channel. My name is TN, and in this video I want to recommend you guys a drugstore cleanser that's really good. It's about $15. I got it at Target. I don't know if you can get this one at Walmart, but this cleanser is amazing. I've watched YouTubers say that this cleanser is really good, so I bought it at Target. This brand is Roche Posay. This one is the Hydrating Genital Cleanser. This brand I haven't tried many of their products, but because I watch YouTubers say that this product is really good, I went ahead and bought it and tried it, and it's really good. After you wash it, you leave your skin like really soft. Usually I like Korean products, but I don't really like American cleanser. This one is, I don't think it's American, I think it's France. It says made in France. This one is 13 ounce, which really big. For $15, you get a lot out of $15 for 13 ounce. So highly recommend it. Try it. If you don't like it, you can always return it. I will put the link or where you can get it online as well. But thank you so much for watching. That's it. That's all I have for you in these videos. I hope it helped you. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe. Thumb up please.